Hello from Car Key Solutions, car key and vehicle security experts. We want to talk today about Mercedes steering lock, and this is because it's an interesting feature the way the Mercedes have developed this, but also there is a weakness in this type of system. Mercedes is one of the manufacturers that ever since 2000 and early 2000 they have used an electric steering lock. So where this is different than other cars is that the lock which locks the steering wheel in place when the key is removed from the ignition switch is electronic. Obviously, with this, over the time there are also problems. This is the way that the steering lock looked like. The original one used in early 2000 is a model that is still used nowadays on the Mercedes Sprinters, quite on the late models. This type of lock was quite reliable. But in late 2007, Mercedes have changed the system on the C-Class and E-Class, and they've got this module, electronic steering lock module, which operates the same. So just to give you a bit of understanding, so this is the ignition switch, this is the steering lock, and this is the key. They all work together. So the ignition switch needs to recognize the key, and when it does so, it will enable the mechanism in the steering lock to disengage the lock. Basically, this small lever, it won't allow the steering wheel to lock. As you can see, if the key is recognized, this key is paired with the ignition switch. When the key is recognized, the lever is going to be pulled in, and the steering wheel is disengaged. Now, the system has a weakness, or probably it's just aware in it. So those locks are failing, and when they do so, the car it cannot be started. The steering lock might be in a lock position or unlocked. So if it's unlocked, then the car is literally stuck. Now, on a replacement and where we stay ahead compared with the main dealer, we can offer this steering lock replacement. We have brand new units, or we can also recondition them on the same name service. Where if this job has to be done through the Mercedes, it's talking about a delay time recovering the vehicle. Obviously, quite a big cost altogether and inconvenience. So, if you want to find out about Car Key Solutions and other range of services that we do, please visit our website on www.carkeysolutions.co.uk, and if you want to find out more, give us a call and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.